BG Babes, it's the Barbie, and I am back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew, because the bougie way away, period. So today I'm back with another wig, and so I'm wearing Hurela hair. This is a 24-inch highlight jerry curly wig. This is a front lace wig, and it's giving very much Beyonce. So I was saying that this wig would be cute in like a photo shoot with my hair just like blowing. That would be so cute. Like, could y'all imagine? Like, it would literally be so cute in a photo shoot. But yeah, so if you like big hair, this is the wig for you. This is a very big wig, like it's very full, and it's really pretty, and I really like it. Honestly, I really like it. It's definitely giving Beyonce, Sasha Fierce, okay? But anyways, if you like this wig, make sure you check out the links in my description. If you want to see how I styled this wig very quickly, make sure you continue watching, and use the discount code to save some money. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Hope y'all enjoy.